Hey guys, Got38 here. How are you? Wow, I haven't did one of these in a while, so I thought maybe I would do this unboxing. Now, wow, it's a pretty big box, isn't it? And it's from Cygnett. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this baby. I'm excited. I don't know what's in here. I really don't. So when you know, I know. All right. Okay, got some brown paper. OMG. What? Oh, wow. This is called the Apollo Hybrid case for the iPhone 4S and the 4. Wow, look at that. Wow, be expecting a review. Oh, wow. The Urban Shield brushed aluminum case for the iPhone 4S. Wow. Jesus, that's nice. Oh, that looks good too. This is the Aerosphere. Oh my gosh. Protective bubble case for the iPhone 4S. Wow, that is nice. Okay, that's for me. Wow, wow, wow. What's this? Oh, it's a catalog. Look at that. It's a product catalog. Oh my gosh. Oh, very professional. Look at that. Oh my Lord. Ooh, look at this. It's an alumni canvas case with handy pocket. Whoa. I like that. Wow, that looks good. It's for the new iPad and the iPad 2. Wow. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, what's this? It's your world. Let's open this. Open the frame. Let's see. It's a lanyard. Has Cygnett on there. Very nice. Look at that. Oh my God, it's a flash drive, a USB flash drive. Wow, thank you. That is nice. Awesome. And it has Cygnett on here as well. Wow. I'm excited. And last but certainly not least, it's another iPad case for the new iPad and the iPad 2. It's a lavish earth folio case with multi-view stand. Wow. It feels good too, guys. So guys, be expecting a review out of all of these. Cygnett, you outdone yourself. Thank you so much for sending this stuff out for review. I really do appreciate it. So guys, you know what's coming up. Be expectant. All right, guys. I love you. Toodles.